Notability and GoodNotes 6 are two of the most popular digital note-taking apps, but they cater to different user needs. Notability is ideal for users who prioritize simplicity and audio integration. Its standout feature is the ability to record audio while taking notes, syncing your handwriting to the lecture, a major win for students. Its minimalist interface makes it fast and easy to use without overwhelming you with features. On the other hand, GoodNotes 6 is more feature rich and visually polished. It mimics a real notebook, offers better organization with folders and subfolders, and includes advanced AI tools like handwriting recognition, math solving, and shape conversion. GoodNotes also has broader platform support, including Windows and web versions, making it more versatile. In terms of pricing, both offer subscriptions, but GoodNotes still has a one-time purchase option, while Notability's free version is quite limited. In short, choose Notability if you value audio syncing and simplicity. Go with GoodNotes 6 if you want more features, visual customization, and smarter tools.